Hi guys, welcome to Juvenile Spot. Let's start with the video.
Guys. So today we have a very special guest with us on Arsh Bhaiya, who recently got placed at Cisco. जैसी आपकी बहुत सारी queries आ रही थी कि Cisco company में क्या होता है and सब कुछ. So we listen to your query. Arsh Bhaiya is my senior. He's from a batch of 2021 from Thapa University. My teammate and technical head at Drivecraft. He's master at technical skills, a multi-talented one, an amiable personality, a very polite natured. He aims to make a real impact on juveniles' life. So, welcome, Bhaiya.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Yes, first of all, congratulations for being placed at such an esteemed company, Cisco. We
Thank
welcome
you.
you wholeheartedly. So, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Just surviving through the pandemic. How are you?
I'm good too. Same here. So, like you survived through the first year. So, which societies did you join in the first year?
In the first year, I was a part of my college music society, which is called SUR. And along
Okay.
with that, I had joined CCS, which is the Technical Computing Society in Thapur. Yeah.
ओके ग्रेट भैया योर टेक्निकल स्किल्स आर रियली जस्ट वाओ जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों की क्वेरीज आई थी जब हम फर्स्ट ईयर में आते हैं मतलब +1 +2 से इतना पक के आते हैं कि लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर थापर में आके या किसी भी कॉलेज में आके देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू एक्सप्लोर कि अल्टीमेटली आवर ग्रेड्स फॉल डाउन तो
Yeah.
एनीथिंग यू वुड लाइक टू कमेंट अपॉन
Yeah, as far as Thapur is concerned, there are a lot of activities happening during the first year, and थोड़ा mind distract हो जाता है. But I feel that grades only matter to a certain extent. You need to participate in extracurricular activities also. And if you're talking about numbers and CGPA, I would think that having a CGPA of 8.5 is sufficient for to allow you to sit for most companies. So you should go out and definitely go out and explore in the first year. You'll be able to manage an 8 point. Yeah.
सही है भैया और लाइक प्लेसमेंट की तैयारी कब शुरू करनी चाहिए लाइक द एंड ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर और एनीथिंग
For the third year placements, I think the best time to start is in January. And basically, the earlier you start, the better it is. So it doesn't matter, but I think you should definitely start by January or February. Yeah, so that will give you a good upper hand
like
on most.
from where should we start our preparation like there are many sites geeks for geeks ho gaya like always there are two options technical one and the non-technical one but the
Yeah.
community responded to a technical one so how we should start preparing from all this
The first thing that you need to master is our data structures, and you need to have a good command over data structures and algorithms for if you're applying for any technical role. And for that, you can pick up almost any course on the internet because the syllabus for that is fixed. What you need to explore and do are questions, because the first round that you need to clear for any company, from a small company to any big company, you have to clear the first round, which is always a programming round. And to clear that, you need to have a good command over the questions. So you should definitely try to do questions on lead code. Start by doing maybe one easy question uh, per day, and you should just keep building upon that. So sites like lead code help a lot. So I think that is the best platform.
okay like what about geeks for geeks
Geeks for Geeks is good for. I feel like Geeks for Geeks helped me more in my subject-wise knowledge. Like networking, I studied networking from Geeks for Geeks. I had to prepare for Cisco interview, so I studied networking a lot. And Geeks for Geeks helped in that more. Instead of like, felt that for questions you could use something like Lead Code, but if you want to do theory for subjects, Geeks for Geeks is definitely a good option.
like आपने कोई टेस्ट वगैरह दिए थे to get into placement like there are hackathons and any something like this कुछ भी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट या कुछ ऐसा
Uh, for so, are you talking about placements, or are you talking about
या प्लेसमेंट्स
competitive? Placements के लिए
प्लेसमेंट्स
there are companies which look for which recruit via hackathons. and there are companies which recruit via tests. So all both the processes are very different. Hackathons is they give you a goal that you have to do this task, and if you are able to do that, they call you for interviews or something like that. And for tests, as far as tests are concerned, that is a process for each company. They have a shortlisting via tests, and then they maybe continue with interviews or something like
Okay, like hackathons had add any additional value to your placement or something
that.
else?
Yeah, with respect to hackathons that are not related to placements, so like there are companies which recruit via hackathons. That is a different thing. But if you're attending hackathons generally and trying to participate, I feel like every hackathon you attend for like 12 to 20 hours, your mind is concentrating on one topic, on building one thing. You definitely come out with a lot of skills, and and towards the end of the hackathon, you have a product that is ready, a project that is ready, which you can easily showcase during your placements through in any interview, and you can put it in your resume also. So I feel like
Okay.
hackathons do have an edge because you're able to concentrate and build something which is tangible.
Sure, sure. Like, which companies came for placement? Like, was this the one, the very first one you sat for, और बहुत सारी ऐसी थी जिसमें आप बैठे या मतलब क्या process होता है इनका?
Was the very first test that I gave during the placement time. So this was the first test that I sat for the first round. And after that, by the time they shortlisted, around 4 or 5 other companies had come, out of which I think I had given tests for two. And then when you get a call for interviews, then you just need to focus and prepare for interviews. That's what I.
Okay. Like placement R कैसा होता है? Can you explain? सब tense में होते हैं और मतलब क्या होता है उस R में?
Initially, it is not that rough because you can see that a lot of companies will be coming, but towards the end, as companies start to reduce in number, like initially every 2 days there are like 2 3 companies coming up, but towards the end, each company maybe takes a week or more than a week to come. Then your anxiety starts to build up. So it depends on which point of the placement season you are.
ओके लाइक ये फीलिंग बहुत कॉमन होती है कि घर वालों का पैसा खराब हो जाएगा बिकॉज दे इन्वेस्टेड 4 years इन लाइक स्पेंडिंग ऑन यू सो
Right.
लाइक हाउ टू कंट्रोल सच फीलिंग्स
So this is actually very common because your parents have put in so much money and time into your education. You feel like it's your responsibility to give back to them, and in a way it is, but towards the end it is your choice. And I feel like about dealing with the pressure that puts upon you, you just need to have a backup plan ready with you. So if you have a backup, you know what is the worst case and you're prepared for that. So the anxiety with respect to not clearing the placement reduces because I have a backup. Okay, I can do this. So
ओके
your mind is then clear of that anxiety, and you're able to focus on your main goal more. So like my backup was giving GRE in January and maybe going abroad. So I knew that okay, if I don't get placed, I have this option. So I was able to focus on my placements more. So I think having a backup is a good thing to do.
ओके लाइक सिस्को में कितने राउंड्स हुए थे आपके
So Cisco, the first round was an online test which was based on C and some networking questions and something about Cisco products which were MCQs. After that, the first round was a technical interview, which is like a 1.5 hour interview, and followed by that you have a managerial round in which a manager from Cisco interviews you and gets to know about you, followed by an HR. So this was the entire process for Cisco.
HR was an additional one or it was counted under Cisco only
Yeah,
like
it was a separate round. The HR is a separate round which happens towards the end.
it was under technical one only because we listened about the HR round comes under the non-technical part. So was this
Yeah,
under
HR
the technical one only?
technical round was only the first round in which they ask you questions about your project. The second round was a mix of both tech and non-tech. So they are trying to reduce your personality. The manager is trying to understand what kind of a person you are, and he's looking at your skills. And the third round, the HR round, is purely a non-technical, and they ask you about your interests or maybe who are if you know about the company you're applying for or not. So they try to judge. Like I was applying for Cisco, they tried to judge if I knew who Cisco's competitors were and what Cisco's
Hmm.
products, how Cisco impacted COVID-19. So it is a non-tech part, but you need to be aware.
So we should like get an information about the company who is taking an interview of ours.
Definitely. You need to have enough sufficient information about the company because the HR expects that you know what you are doing. You're not, sitting randomly for any company that comes. You should definitely, while going for the interviews, prepare and know about the background of the companies you are applying to.
Okay, so we play a game now, rapid fire round, where I'll give you a sentence where you just have to like speak a word about that. This was the general like information I got from comments that there were some queries, and we just need your one word for that. So the very first one is your strengths.
Teamwork,
Great. And Cisco ki tayari.
networking,
Great. And the third one is first year.
बहुत सारा fun,
Great. Or roommates.
best friends,
And the last one is advice to juniors.
believe in yourself. Always
Great.
believe in
Thank.
yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think the answers were. It was perfect answers that one could give to rapid fire, and वो भी इतनी fast. So yes, this was the end of the session we had today. Thank you so much for sharing your details. Our audience were waiting for all these answers, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you for having me.
Like, share, and comment on this video. Your one comment makes my day the happiest one. Do tell me how you like this video. I'll be waiting for your comment. Thank you.